Alright, this is On Your Own Practice for Constructions with Polygons Part 1. This is lesson 3.10 or 3.10. Alright, what steps to construct an equilateral triangle with a given segment AB? So, first, we have our line segment AB. We're going to place our compass on point A and set the compass to an equal length of segment AB. And then we're going to draw an arc above AB. This is different from what we learned in class, in the lesson, but as I've said, as we've done constructions, you can draw a whole circle anytime that you're just going to draw an arc. So you can either draw a whole circle or just an arc. So this time we're just drawing an arc. So then without changing the compass, we're going to place the compass on point B and draw another arc above segment AB, making sure that it intersects the first arc. The intersection of the two arcs is the third vertex of our equilateral triangle, and we use a straight edge to complete the triangle. Alright, now we're going to construct an equilateral triangle using this circle tool. Alright, so the first thing we already have our segment AB. So we're going to place our compass on one end and open it to the length of our line segment. So that's our first circle. Then we're going to place our point of our compass on the other end of the line segment, open our pencil, or keep our pencil open the same. It'll touch here at the other end, and we have two circles. We're going to place a point where they intersect. Then we're going to connect those points. And we have our equilateral triangle. Alright, we're complete this construction of a square. So we need to plot two more points. That's here and here, where this small circle intersects our perpendicular bisector. And then we're going to use our segment tool to connect those dots. And that is our square. Alright, what are the steps to constructing a square given a line segment as the diagonal of the square? So the first thing we're going to do is place our compass at the end point of the given segment and draw a circle. Then without changing the compass, we're going to place it on the other endpoint and draw another circle. We're going to use a straight edge to connect the points where the two circles intersect. This is our perpendicular bisector. And then we're going to place our compass on the point where the perpendicular bisector and the given segment intersect. Adjust the compass to be an equal of half the length of the given segment and draw a circle. And then we're going to use our straight edge to connect the sides of the square. Alright, we're going to complete the construction of this equilateral triangle with our segment tool. Alright, the first step in constructing an equilateral triangle is to construct a circle with the radius the same length as the given side. Because they're assuming that they've given us a line segment to start with. Alright, Joy began construction of a square. She constructed 2 congruent circles and a perpendicular bisector. What do we need to do now? We need a point here. And then we need to draw our smaller circle. And then we place points here and here. And now we're going to connect those points. There we go. Jake is constructing a square. He constructed a line and plotted a point on that line. He then constructed a line perpendicular through that point. Now he's going to place the point of the compass on the point he plotted. And draw 2 arcs perpendicular to those. No. He's gonna draw arcs on the perpendicular line.